Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MintX1. To begin, you'll need to register an account, typically using your email or phone number. Once registered, you can deposit funds, with the platform claiming a minimum investment of just $1. After depositing, you are instructed to choose an investment plan to start earning. MintX1 states it supports both traditional currencies and cryptocurrencies for deposits. Next, let's look at MintX1's claimed investment process. The platform states its artificial intelligence automatically invests your deposited funds. It also claims that profits are reinvested, utilizing compounding for potentially faster growth. Users are told they will receive real-time profit updates directly on their dashboard. This system is presented as fully automated, meaning you do not need to manually monitor market conditions. Moving on to managing your earnings and withdrawals. MintX1 suggests users can watch their balance grow continuously, with updates every second. The platform claims you can request withdrawals of your earnings at any time. It also advertises rapid payouts, with both funding and withdrawals processed instantly. Furthermore, MintX1 states there are no fees for either depositing or withdrawing your funds. Finally, let's consider some key aspects of the MintX1 platform model. It features a notably low entry barrier, allowing investments to begin with as little as $1. The platform also incorporates a referral system, offering users opportunities to earn additional income through inviting others. MintX1 consistently presents itself as an artificial intelligence-powered investment and trading platform. Many users are encouraged to start with a small amount to test the system's functionality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.